Hello everyone. In this video of the Essential Calculus Problem series, we will solve the integral of cosecant square of x dx. Integral of cosecant square of x dx. To solve this integral, you should know that the derivative of cotangent x is minus cosecant square of x. Derivative of cotangent x is equal to minus cosecant square of x. If you can't remember this, you can write cotangent x as cosine x over sine x. And let's take the derivative of it. We have here as division, and if we have a division like f over g, the quotient rule says that the derivative of f over g is f prime g minus g prime f over g square. And we will use this rule while taking the derivative of cosine x over sine x. This will be equal to the derivative of cosine x times sine x minus derivative of sine x times cosine x divided by sine square of x. Sine square of x. And this will be derivative of cosine x is minus sine x times sine x, and derivative of sine x is cosine x times cosine x divided by sine square of x. And this will be equal to minus sine square of x plus cosine square of x divided by sine square of x. We know that sine square of x plus cosine square of x is equal to 1. Then this will be equal to 1 over minus 1 over sine square of x. 1 over sine x is the cosecant x. Then this will be equal to minus cosecant square of x. Then this means that the derivative of cotangent x is equal to minus cosecant square of x. Then, since we know that the derivative of cotangent x is equal to minus cosecant square of x, let's come to the integral. The integral of cosecant square of x dx will be equal to minus cotangent x. And since this is an indefinite integral, we add a constant c here. The answer is this. In the next video of this series, we will solve the integral of cosecant cube x dx. See you in the next video.